Hi, my name is Bill Ritter. I'm a certified electrician, and every week I get questions, some smart, some strange, and some I've been sworn to secrecy to never tell. Shh. This is Ask an Electrician. What was the easiest, fastest job you've ever fixed? That's easy. Change a light bulb. It's happened numerous times. People call and they're like, oh yeah, this fixture went down or a circuit's broken or something that, like, I've literally just had to change a light bulb. So it does happen. Check the light bulb first. What's the worst smell you've encountered on a job? Well, it's gotta be the person you're working next to. They're working all day, building up a sweat. Humans can be smelly when they're hard at work. Woo-wee! Oh, hello! How do you decide when to use conduit versus romex? Well, first off, is it in code to use romex? Because some places you can't use romex at all. Now, conduit, I definitely would use in commercial settings. Romex, you could use it in residential. But if you want to pull new wires, remember whatever you have in the romex, however many conductors you have, that's all you have. Anything coming out of the panel typically want to come out with conduit, maybe to a big junction box. If romex is allowed, maybe you could tap on, off for some like branch circuits. You know what? I think when it comes to my heart of hearts, I'm a conduit guy. So I actually never install romex. What tools and parts do you take on every job? So I got junction boxes, probably wire nuts, extra receptacles, wire stripper, drill, screwdriver, hacksaw, electrical tape. Do I gotta go through all this? Jab saw, tape I got measure, some wire. Usually keeps them like 12 maybe gauge, a little bit MCK wire. If we're doing some a bender, pipe, EMT, half-inch bender. A lot of times, there's too much stuff. What do you think the job will look like in 20 years? Robots. Nah, I don't think that. You know, it's interesting because a lot of like the new technology, we need more electricity for, like data centers, solar panels, electric vehicles, chargers. So it's definitely gonna grow. And, you know, I think we're still gonna be doing in the field, doing the work. And maybe it might steer towards more specialized things. What's the worst time of the year to be an electrician? It's gotta be like dead of summer. Construction sites, a lot of times they won't have AC, so it's hot. Now, it can be pretty bad in the middle of winter if you're in I used to work in Chicago running pipe when it's snowing outside. It's bad. Summer's worse. What made you want to become an electrician? I like being on my feet. The pay was good, especially coming right out of high school to go into a trade was awesome. I got some money soon, and every day, it's a different day. You know, you do kind of the same stuff, but you're a different job site, and it's kind of fun. And that's it for this episode of Ask an Electrician. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments, and we'll tackle them next time. And remember, shop Sunco.